everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I have a demonstration for you of the Wera KK20, or the let's call that again, Kraftform Kompakt 20. It's a 7-piece set with the pouch. So let's take a look. You open up the box, and voila, there's our tool. It's in a nice pouch. It's got the Velcro that you always see with Wera. Also has the opening so you can put it on a belt. And then inside your instructions, like we need those. Your Tool Rebel sticker, can't have enough of those. And a piece of Velcro with the sticky on back and here. I know a lot of guys will stick this on the wall and do it that way. Me personally, I don't, but that's okay. But let's take a look at this one. We open this thing up. Pretty simple tool. Looks so simple. It's a handle with a chuck. And the way it's set up, it's an anti-roll, so it's not going to roll off the bench. It's going to self-center itself. We have a button here. You push that, and there's all your bits nicely held there. So it looks like we have 1, 2 spade bits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips bits. So that's perfect for most uses. So whether you're a do-it-yourselfer, a homeowner, or in the trades, this is a perfect little thing for you because the handle is full size. It feels great, but it's retracted right now so you can get into tighter areas, but yet still have a good firm grip. Then we have this nice little collar here, and when we push that, that pops out, and now it's almost the length of a regular screwdriver. And that's pretty much it. And then to get it back in, you have to retract the collar, but not just that, you have to push a little bit harder till it clicks, then that'll pop back in. So when you open that, it's not going to just pop out, and if you're screwing, you accidentally touch that collar, it's not going in, because you really have to do it so it clicks to get it to go back in. So the KK20 set is a nice little starter set or an add-on set to what you already have. With this one thing here, you get all those bits, 2 different size shafts, and a full-size handle, all in one simple little kit here. Again, you gotta make it click to go in. You can stick this in your pocket, in your tool pouch, in that little tool drawer in the kitchen, or if you want to keep it in the nice little pouch, you can do that. Maybe you have a number of pouches around, you need easily accessible to that. So leave us a comment. Let us know if you've used this set before. Is this one that you like, or if you've used some of the other Wera type handles, let us know. Also, if you could subscribe and like this channel, we'd appreciate it. We're trying to keep more videos going so you get an idea of how these tools work visually. And we'll see you on the next video.